Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Curtis, and up on the bench today we have a Ford 5R110 out of a 2004 6-liter Powerstroke. I don't believe there's anything wrong with this unit, but we're going to pull it apart and see what's inside. I've already loosened off our speed sensors. That's just an 8mm bolt. I've also gone ahead and started taking the nasty bolts out of the extension housing. We've got our 13mm impact. That's all those. Oh crap, I didn't expect this to come off so nicely. Usually everything's stuck on these. There's our extension housing and output shaft. Now we got a little bit cleaner of a workspace. Now we're going to flip it over. I'm going to pull our pan off. Oh, look what I just found. Remanufactured. Not that that really changes anything. Hey. Whoa, what's this little guy doing on the ground? You're supposed to be up here, sir. That's interesting. So I get our filter out, then I guess we'll get started on our solenoid body, getting it out of here. Unplug our out comes our pump. And sure enough, they look remanufactured. Here's our forward planetary. And the ring gear for that. And the center support's there. Because we've taken both our center support bolts out, we should be able to just pull or pry this out. Center support's out. Sorry, intermediate clutch pack. And here's our forward clutch drum, planetary, and sun shell. And then just the last snap ring holding in our rear planetary, and we'll have an empty case. Here's our rear planetary. And ring gear. That's an empty case. So let's get everything cleaned up and lay everything out on the table. Go from there. Okay, so I got everything cleaned and set down on the table. Let's begin with going over our parts. Obviously we have our case, our pump, our input shaft. Then we start getting into the guts. Our overdrive clutches, forward planetary and its ring gear. And then our center support, our intermediate clutches and direct drum, our forward drum, mid planetary and sun shell. Then we have our rear planetary, we have our output shaft, parking pole, and our extension housing, all still together. Then we have our solenoid body, our filter, and our pan. Thank you very much for watching.